of oxygen in the process of sleeping, and by morning orahulira oruhire kandi actually oshemerere or feeling uri relaxed. Habwenchi turagona ubumwe tureshunga hamarwa agumarwa twageshunga ho gara relaxinga our throat and mouth muscles. Yero wanyama zika relaxinga zifolinge kublockinga the airway. You're going to be deprived of the oxygen you need in your sleep. Ngena gomarwa waga chendeza ninga waga shara okugona kurachendera. Ekindi kiraleeta okugona obesity okugomoka. Okugomoka ebimaso byawe hanu yabyakanya biranarrowinga the diameter of your airway. Ngeno hati wanyama air etandike kugumera migana eraraba mu muscles zifunzire kitume wagona obe deprived of the oxygen you need, especially the next morning nkahatiya ubwo urabolenda kuza gukora exercise. Ngene echo mwachetegereza no kuhindura sleep position ukachendeza umwenje ukachendeza weight no kugichendeza by doing what? Exercises. Exercises niyo LCM, the lowest common multiple almost in every disease. Mwakole exercise nkebi biri designed kutukora happy. Asa mwarge emineke kurya emineke erimu a chemical eyibaleta tryptophan. Tryptophan era helping omubiri okwombeka hormones ezibaleta nguniza feel good hormones nka serotonin ni feel ezira tuma wago muri relaxed, oteine stress, oteine depression, oteine anxiety, otali worked up. Ngene mineke mujirige insufficient amounts habo kubera bahwera umwamugirire through the week twayijanka hanuya turaguma improvinga mood zaitu echo baleta nguniza feel good situation. Echibuzo yes, yellow bananas, yes.
Garumuna abana bato bari kugona.
Ye harimwa abana bato baragona. Those factors that yawe araba in certain hormones ezira looseninga, zira over relaxinga muscles zeye ezahananka ha pharynx ati ya mgenu zikwatane omwana yago we immediately ararugayo tinko mukuru omukuru actually orabanza waba locked after some time oguruke
ogwene weruvaye
ngeno ogurukeyo arasho wabo kwiri family bongo mwana mutowe ararugayo juba. Yes. Abada yabetsa mineke erabakole emineke actually taweri mu sugar eri complicated za sugar skega munishatu polysaccharides eziri complicated eziri nko muri muhogo ngaza starch, disaccharides nkaziri hari sugar bowl zitaga mu chai, na monosaccharides nka glucose eresha ikakasano. Mngene mineke fruits nkena nasi ebyo byo birimu sukari inche ngene jo sukaro wa sukari ya jirya hati eratunga a gentle and soft landing omubiri gujachire kurunji baracheta a low index of absorption ngano mubiri guj accommodating konka wate yonka sukari ile ya sugar bowl era bombarding omubiri hati ya mgenu utume balance ya sukari yawe yabarosi oyekenge kurya emibazi immediately eyo kugichendeza ngenu ejo glucose wahureine low glycemic index, it's soft landing. Aha.